Welcome back everyone. So I have a new bag that was delivered yesterday. It's the hPa Isopack 50 insulated backpack. I've been meaning to get this bag for quite a long time now, and I came across it from one of my subscribers recommending it to me. I reached out to hPa and they've kindly supplied me with one of their bags along with two stem mounts, one for a tilted up stem riser and tilted down. With tilted down is the black one here, so if your stem riser is pointing down this way, or up is the white one, so the white one would fit on my bike. As you can see, the stem is going up. So the bag itself weighs 1.4 kilograms. To be honest, it's like, I think it's lighter than my old bag that I had. It has a volume of 40 to 50 litres and it's made of PVC tarpaulin. The bag is waterproof, but this opening here is not waterproof, but it's been made in such a way that it's not exposed to rain basically. For the stem mounts, you can carry them in here whilst you're not using them, which is really handy. You just slide it in there like that, and when you need to use it, you can just whip it out and throw it on the bag, throw it on the bike. So the dimensions of this bag: the height is 40 centimeters, the width is 25 centimeters, and the length is 40 centimeters. The hPa marking here, the branding, is made in a reflective material, which is good for us cyclists at night time. Just a bit more visibility for us, to keep us safe. Delivery to Europe is 4 to 8 days. For the rest of the world, it's 5 to 10 days. I waited 5 days for my delivery. So I'll run you through some of the features of this bag, and I'll start at the top and then work my way down. So you got the normal standard carrying handle here, a large handle compared to normal bags, but that's pretty good if you're wearing gloves. You've got a zip here, a little bit of storage on the top of the bag. I just keep my phone case when I'm not using it for my bike, and a portable charger. It is a decent size, it does go all the way in, and you can fit quite a few things in there. As well as this handle at the top here, you also have this handle here, which is a nice feature that they've got going on here. A bit difficult, I'm doing this one-handed, but so you just throw that through here, and then you can clip it in down here, and you can carry the bag like this. I think that's a really nice feature on this bag. Obviously, I've mentioned already the stem mount. We've got two sleeves just here that go straight in, move down to the side here. So on each corner you've got these adjustable straps for mainly when you're delivering pizzas and you've got a full bag full of boxes. You can just tighten this just to keep them all together, stop them from moving around. I've just hooked my keys onto here. I've got my bike lock key, my battery key, and this is one of my other old locks that I don't use no more. You've also got this chest strap, so you can just clip it on like that and you can fasten it. It's another nice feature, especially when you're cycling. Your bag doesn't fall off your back, but having this, it just gives it a little bit more comfort, to be honest. I used this bag yesterday to do 3 or 4 deliveries, and yeah, it is a lot better than just having the normal shoulder straps. Having this, to me, it's more comfortability. It feels a lot nicer. So we'll take a look inside the bag. Oh, also another thing, these are zip handles, nice and big, which is good. So when you're wearing gloves, you're not fiddling around, really easy to open. The zip liner feels very, very well made, good quality. It's stitched in really well. So yeah, this is the inside of the bag. You've got a large pocket at the back here, and you've got 2 side pockets just down here. This is good if you're delivering like 1.5 litre bottles of drink. You can just slide one in each side and then put the food in the middle, so you're separating the cold from the hot. I've mentioned already, the bag is 40 to 50 litres. It's a lot bigger than the bag that I was using before, and I wish I got this sooner. It's not as big and bulky as the delivery bags that you see that they supply, and the UberEats bags. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of them. They look way too big and they look like I'm carrying a house on my back. I'm just delivering some food. I don't have to carry 80 litre bag on my back. I've never seen an UberEats or delivery rider fill their bag completely. Genuinely, I have been searching for a bag for about 3 months, and this was prior to signing up to UberEats, and every bag I came across was either too small or just way too oversized. Go and check them out. I'll link the product page in the description and the link to this bag. They do many other bags. You get 10% off of your first order if you sign up and create an account with hPa and use the code WELCOME. And yeah, I'll just show you some clips now of what it looks like whilst wearing it. Just want to say thank you to hPa for supplying this bag. Please do go and check them out. I've linked their website in the description box down below, along with the link to this bag. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already and you like my content. But tomorrow night I'll have the GoPro on and I'll be recording some footage and editing on Friday evening and getting it uploaded by Saturday or latest Sunday.